Good morning, guys. So today's experiment is on diffusion. You're going to be looking at diffusion at two different temperatures, and you're going to see how that affects the rate of diffusion in a liquid. Okay, so this is the first part of the experiment. For this experiment, you're going to need some M&Ms, two petri dishes, and some distilled water. You're going to get water at different temperatures, so some will be cold and some you're going to heat up in a kettle. Okay, so what you're going to do? Get some M&Ms. So I suggest you get ones of different colours. So I'm going to use an orange one, a brown one, a green one, and a yellow one. And all I'm going to do, make sure they're in the far corners of the, well, petri dish doesn't really have corners, does it? But I'm going to put them in the edges like that. Then all I'm going to do is add some distilled water so that it covers the M&Ms. There we go. Okay. Make sure they're in the corners. That's the first one. And then do exactly the same. Orange one, green one, brown one, yellow one. And in there I'm going to add boiling water. So here's my boiling water. Pour that in there really carefully. Really carefully, there we go. And see what happens. You can already see this has started to diffuse. So I'm going to pause that there. So one of the issues you could see in the first experiment was that the M&Ms are already started to diffuse whilst I was setting up the experiment. So to stop that from happening, what you're going to need to make sure you do is add the water to both of them at the same time. So working in pairs, pour the cold one and the hot one both at the same time. Good luck. Right guys, so end of the experiment. What you might have found is the hot water has diffused much quicker than the cold water. You can see that the colours, look, there's still some areas here where the colours aren't touching, but in the hot water it's diffused much quicker. So my question is, why did that happen? With the person next to you, see if you can come up with a hypothesis. You've got 30 seconds, off you go.